joining this FinTech webinar. Let's first start off with what is FinTech. Financial technology, or FinTech, is technology-enabled financial innovation that will lead to new business models, applications, processes, and products. FinTech activity in South Africa has been on the rise. In early 2020, we published a FinTech scoping report. We identified over 220 active FinTechs in South Africa. The data was collected during 2019 and expect the number to be a lot higher today. Not surprisingly, payments, being one of the most important financial product needs, was identified as the largest segment, followed by business-to-business tech solutions. Responding to growing FinTech ecosystem, all financial sector regulators came together during 2019 to design and agree on a multi-regulatory approach to facilitate FinTech innovation. We have been informed by international standard setting bodies. What we developed is a world first. We came up with the Fintech Innovation Hub. The Innovation Hub is a vehicle to engage with the FinTech ecosystem, enabling regulators to craft new policies and innovate. It's open to all financial sector innovators, whether from a startup, established FinTech firm, or a financial sector incumbent. The Innovation Hub has 3 avenues for assistance. Firstly, the Regulatory Guidance Unit to help market innovators resolve specific questions regarding policy and regulatory requirements. It's a virtual single point of entry to reach 7 financial sector regulators. The advice given by experts within the various regulators is non-binding. We went with non-binding advice to get an accurate answer to the inquirer in a short span of time. The Regulatory Guidance Unit will 80 to 90% clearly define the activity within a well-defined regulatory framework. But for 20 to 10% of inquiries, the financial activity does not neatly fit within the well-defined frameworks. For this reason, we developed the Regulatory Sandbox. The Sandbox provides financial sector innovators with an opportunity to test new products and services that push the boundaries of existing regulation, all under the responsible supervision of the relevant regulators. The FinTech could be granted regulatory exemption for the testing phase. Thirdly, we have the Innovation Accelerator. The Innovation Accelerator drives innovation with common benefits across participating regulators. This could be a policy decision or a regulatory treatment. The Innovation Hub was launched on the 7th of April 2020 and is accessible at www.ifwg.co.za. With respect to governance, the innovation is overseen by the Intergovernmental FinTech Working Group. A few years ago, South African regulators came together to form the IFWG. Its members consist of the FSCA, SARB, FIC, Treasury, NCR, with SARS and Competition Commission recently joining. The Innovation Hub has 7 key focus areas that will serve as a basis for collaboration with the FinTech ecosystem. As regulators, we quickly realized the technology is changing extremely quickly and decided to take a technology-neutral approach and focus on the underlying financial activities, payments, lending, etc. Since launch, the Regulatory Guidance Unit has provided guidance to FinTechs across a diverse segments, leading to a range of clear outcomes. Payments, lending, insurance, and investments feature dominantly. Common outcomes is guidance or referral to the Sandbox.